All right, special thanks to our friends at Syncwire who were nice enough to send us their magnetic car mount. This is a 360-degree simple car mount. Nothing on the top, bottom, or sides. And the back just has the features. So let's open this on up. Take a look at it. Nice, nice. Very nice. That's it for the box. So we got wet wipes and manuals. What is this? Is this? Oh, mounting material. So these are little plates to mount it. So this is a plate that you can stick to the back of your phone. So that way, when you stick this to your dash, you'd be able to just, boom, throw your phone right on. It's very small, not even very noticeable. A little Syncwire logo there. This would be very nice on your dash to hold your phone and be kind of inconspicuous. And then when you get in the car, throw it on, getting out of the car, pull it off. Can't beat it. There is also a, let me just dump this out. With all these stickers and a square one to put on the back of your phone. Thanks again to Syncwire for sending this to me to create this unboxing. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.